Okay, so now we're going to do daytime. Remember, nighttime we are correcting, daytime we prevent. Daytime we're gonna wash, we're gonna dry, then we're going to use the CE ferulic. That's the first thing. Then after, we let it sit for a little. Then we're gonna do a little bit of HA5. Some people are okay only with HA5, and on top of it, they're doing SPF. I love this SPF. It's a little bit, has a tint. It stays amazing. By the way, has also arnica. I love it. It's amazing. This is my favorite. So this is, I put it every day. Sometime if you feel that your skin is a little bit more dry, peptide cream, it will be amazing. But you're putting it before you're putting the SPF. Then makeup and out the door. After you apply your makeup, you have this beautiful toner spray. It's all organic. Just so amazing. Morning. Remember, morning is lubricate and prevent. That's it. It's very simple. So what I do, I wash first, okay? CE ferulic. Love it. Few drops. Some people like to put it on your face, so it's okay. Let it dry a little bit. Hyaluronic. Then I put, don't forget, my neck cream. Eye cream, usually daytime, I like to put it a little more heavy because daytime we more working with our eyes. So I like to have it really nice and heavy. I want it to be a little dry, so take a little time, just a few minutes, that it's gonna sit nice. Then I take my beautiful, I love this one, this is my favorite. Then I go ahead and I do it everywhere. Look, it's clean, it's beautiful, I love it. You can put your makeup. Some people like to, you know, have some makeup, it's fine. Finish with all your makeup, then you take your toner and just, and you're done. Go to work. Start your day. This is it. I love it. This is how I work with my skin. I like it. That's why it looks glowing, it's clean and healthy. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any question, you always can call me, DM me, message me, email, whatever you like. I will answer any question you have. Thank you.